Hi teachers, my name is Dimitri and I'm the content creator here at Live Learning. Today I'll be giving you a quick tour of our tools and how you can get started today. But before I get into that, I just want to give you a few words on us here at Live Learning. Our main goal is to make teaching easier, especially during these times. Everything is shifted online. We want to make that as quick, easy, and efficient as possible. And that's why we created Live Learning. Here in the About Us tab, you can check out our mission as well as our aim. So once you're on our home screen here, we're going to scroll down. The first thing you're going to see is a drawing board and screen share feature. So when you are teaching one of your classes, you'll have a drawing board feature as well as the feature to share your screen of whatever you'd like to share with your students while you teach. With Live Learning, you can integrate numerous apps. You can play live music during your class as well via Spotify or your computer, and you could charge for your classes. So you can make free classes, but you can also charge for classes and earn that hard work money that you deserve for creating those classes as well as teaching. And with our handy app, you can teach from anywhere. You can check your courses on there, check your groups, check in with your student, share homework or files, and many other features. In Live Learning, you can integrate your favorite apps. You can integrate Spotify, Google Drive, and Google Meet. And we have other videos and tutorials on how to do this as well if you do have any questions, but it is quite simple to integrate them and get started teaching today. And one of the best parts about Live Learning is that you can start your classes with no cost at all. And then you could charge for those classes to then make money without any overhead at all. And then there are unlimited features for students. There are two-way interactive classes, a live private chat, so instead of talking to everybody in the class, you can talk one-on-one within that class if any students do have questions, but they don't want to share it with the class. And to make sure that your students aren't interrupting you all the time, there's a hand raise feature, so all you do is click hand raise, and then you can answer their question without everybody speaking amongst each other. And then a little bit more about Live Learning down here, whiteboard, course materials, gallery view, and a chat with students. So yeah, teachers, I hope that this tour was helpful and that it shows you just how quick and easy you can get started today. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you next time. Bye.